Okay, so now we have the guided practice. There's only 4 problems. 2 of them are going to go pretty quick. So really there's more like 2 problems. Anyways, number 1, an angle of blank is measured from a horizontal line to a point above the line. So which one goes above the line? Is that elevation or is that depression if you're going above or up? That's elevation. So elevation means you go up, you go above the line. Number 2, an angle of blank is measured from a horizontal line to a point below that line. Which one's going below? That would be depression. That's all 1 and 2 are asking. They're just straight up definitions. Okay, so number 3. When the angle of elevation to the sun is 37 degrees, a flagpole casts a shadow that's 24.2 feet long. What's the height of the flagpole to the nearest foot? So that's what we're finding, height of the flagpole. In other words, there's our x. And that's a terrible x. There we go. Okay, so first step, label your legs. Leg, leg, and then circle your angle. Okay, how does the side we want relate to the angle? It's opposite. What about the 24.2 feet? It's a leg, so that means it's adjacent. So if we think to our trig ratios, so Katoa. Which trig ratio would I want to use with the opposite and adjacent? Tangent. So we're going to have the tangent of 37 is equal to the opposite, which we don't know, so we're going to call that x, over the adjacent, which is 24.2. Now we've got to solve for x. So multiply by 24.2 on both sides. Those cancel. We're going to have 24.2 tangent of 37 equals x. Is x by itself? You betcha. So now we can just type it in the calculator. 24.2. Oh, where's my decimal? Times the tangent of 37. 18, it says nearest foot, so that's going to be a whole number. Means it's going to be 18 feet. There we go. Okay, a pilot of a traffic helicopter sights an accident at an angle of depression of 18 degrees. So here's our helicopter. He's looking down at an angle of 18 degrees. Not that y'all can tell that that's an 18. The helicopter's altitude is 1,560 feet. So 1,560 feet. Here's our right angle. What's the horizontal distance from the helicopter to the accident? So really, we're wanting this side. Or if I highlight it, that side. That's what we're wanting. Our accident is down here. Okay, well, let's see, label your legs. So there's a leg. It's kind of squished up against the picture, but there's your other leg. So the 1560 has to be opposite of the angle. The side we want is adjacent to the angle. So which one uses opposite and adjacent? Tangent. So we're going to have the tangent of 18 equals 1560 over x. Multiply by x on both sides. Those get canceled. We have x times the tangent of 18 equals 1560. Divide by the tangent of 18. Those cancel. We get x equals 1560 divided by the tangent of 18. Now we can plug this straight into the calculator. 1560 divided by the tangent of 18. It says the nearest foot, so nearest whole number. It's going to be 4,801 feet. Okay, so there's the guided practice. Remember, you are awesome and you were created to do great things. Always believe.